we go, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live Glow Party. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Fastpass. I'm Jason.
I'm Amber. I'm Lynn. I'm Lenny.
And today we're here at the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live Glow Party event in Stockton, California. But before that all starts, we are going to do the crash party where we get to meet all the drivers and get their autographs and get some close-up pictures and shots of all these amazing monster trucks.
As you can see, one of which is behind us right now. These things are huge.
They're huge. All right, guys, you ready? Let's go check it out.
Can I have one of them?
This is the event, look, only available at Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live shows, first time ever released. 2023 exclusive, the Combo Crusher. That's the only way to get that car.
I have the Combo Crusher. I want it.
Oh, that's the one you want? Each of the kids got one of the Combo Crusher. I think it's really cool. It's a combination of all the trucks we're going to see tonight. Dude, I really like that shirt with the skull on it. It says Hot Wheels. Are you guys excited? Yeah? All right. Hey, turn around, let me see the back of your shirt. It says, I crushed it at Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live Glow Party. Whoa. Look at those are all the cars that are gonna get crushed. See it? This is Demo Derby. Dang, and so they gave us these things and the drivers are gonna sign all these little things for us. How cool is that?
As well as our excited Hot Wheels Freestyle motocross riders, and that is just to get the party started. There you go. We have got the autograph sheets, we got that half jacket, if you get them on that big screen, and grab your favorite truck, bring it over, get it signed by Bone Shaker himself.
Here we are in the crash zone.
And that's just how you get the
Oh guys, look, it's the Tiger Shark. Dude, look at that Tiger Shark truck. Is so cool looking. I know, isn't that awesome? What is it? Yeah, does it look cool? Yeah.
If you see closely, you can see that they put their own monster trucks on their tires.
Yeah. Look at that. Future truck driver here. Hashtag Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. Look at that little monster truck driver. He's a little monster. Bigfoot, man. Oh, the kids are excited to see Mega Rex all in his glory. Just look how huge these things are. Look at this. Huge. Look at the size of this tire. Look at it. This tire's almost as big as me. Look at that tire. Brittany is half the size of this tire.
How do you change a tire?
How do you change one of these tires? It's their first monster truck show, so.
Glad you picked this one.
We're excited to see you wreck some stuff.
Not on concrete. Although I've done it 14 times.
No, we want to see you like wreck some stuff, not your car.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love seeing that.
Yeah, there you go. And here's the Bone Shaker. This is actually the shirt that I almost wanted to get, was the one with the skull and it said Hot Wheels on it.
What's up, buddy? How are you? You lost your cone today too? I couldn't find mine this morning either. How are you? Excited? Are you more excited than him? Who's gonna cheer louder for Bone Shaker. Oh, I see a competition coming.
It's their first monster truck show, so they're pretty.
First one all together?
First one all together, yeah.
You're not scared of the dark, are you? We're gonna turn all the lights off in a little bit. Everything's gonna glow. That's good.
We have glow sticks, huh?
You have a good school year this year?
He's struggling. Thank you very much. There we go, Gunkster. Oh, and Amber's throwing papers. Oh, Flynn, you see the wheels? Flynn, did you see the wheels? There's gunk in the wheels. Oh. What do you say? And they got this whole area over here for kids to just play with monster trucks. Look, they got out their combo crusher just to be able to play with some of these things. Whoa, isn't that cool? So we're here at the crash zone. We got this great lantern here, and the kids get to play with stuff. We get to meet all the drivers. This is great.
This is awesome, and it was only $10 per person to come in early and get to meet everybody. We got the autographs.
This has been totally worth it. Awesome. After meeting all the drivers and everything, the kids each wanted to get one. Remy picked Gunkster, and Flynn picked Bone Shaker. Here we go. We are in our seats ready for the show, and this is our view that we get.
Experience. Get ready to experience the glow in less than 5 minutes.
It's the one and only. Great, it's so exciting. Try Hot Wheels
It's time for competition number 1. Wheelies.
You're gonna see it up on the board. We line the front of the green and yellow brush covers are 3 judges. They're looking for speed, height, distance, and for the trucks to walk it all the way across the crush bars in what we call walking the dog. 30 points on the line. Top score takes the win. After all, the monster trucks are floating to the sky. The longest jump takes the win.
Loud, but Amber brought up a good point. You can see there's a tire on top of the tire right there. It's stuck in there.
riders, 30 points on the line. Top score takes the win.
Your Champions Cup winner, Bone Shaker.
And now one more time, let's give it up for our superstars of today's show. Make some noise for Hot Wheels Freestyle Motocross. And now for our Hot Wheels Monster Truck drivers. And finally, my name is Matt Ward.
I'm Sierra Crew.
And this is Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. Glow Party.
Okay, so who was your favorite monster truck that you got to see?
They're pretty easy. Bone crusher.
Bone Shaker?
Yeah.
Okay, Remy, so what was your favorite monster truck today?
The same monsters like at Butter.
Bone Shaker?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Oh, I thought it would have been like
know.
Mega Rex or the Tiger Shark.
Yeah, it was all of them.
All of them? Okay. Okay, so that was our experience at the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live event, the Glow Party exclusive. But so what did you think of the event?
I actually really enjoyed myself. I've never been to a monster truck show before, so I really didn't know what to expect, and it definitely wasn't what I had in mind as to what it was going to be. But this was also an event that was geared towards children, so they made it really fun and interactive, and the fact that it's Hot Wheels licensed cars was pretty cool because you could buy the figures.
Yeah, that was a nice extra little touch there.
Which I actually came home with one.
Yeah, which one did you get? Go ahead.
I got 5 alarms.
Yes, you did. So it was pretty cool because they had 4 categories to determine the winner of the event. It was wheelies, donuts, long jump, and freestyle. And it was pretty wild because 3 of the monster trucks we were watching got taken out of commission. We saw Gungster get taken out on the long jump.
So for Gungster, you could clearly see that there was a mechanical issue because there was a part that was kind of hanging out from the front left tire, and it was just pouring coolant all over the floor as it was like limping off to the side. So hopefully they're able to get that fixed, but it was pretty cool seeing how the hosts of it were like redirecting to try and keep everybody entertained while the crew is out there pouring a bunch of absorbent and trying to clean it up. The other 2, I don't know what happened to Demo Derby. Like he did the long jump, and then that was like he parked in his spot, and then that was the last we saw of him. And then there was Bigfoot, and I don't know exactly what happened. Me neither.
He got ready to start his freestyle, and then something happened.
He was backing up, right?
Yeah, and I don't know what happened. But yeah, so those 3, hopefully they're able to get those fixed. I would imagine they will. But
There's supposed to be a second show today.
Yes.
So our show was at 12:30. The next show is supposed to be at 7. We got out of there at 2:40. So they
got some time.
4.5 hours to get I don't know if they'll be able to fix Gungster. It depends on what's wrong.
So honestly, as a whole, I totally recommend this event. It was a lot of fun. I've never done a monster truck event, and I had a blast. What about you?
I had a blast too. And I had a blast that you had a blast. And the kids had a blast. That made me very happy.
Yeah, everybody just enjoyed themselves.
I can't believe Remy fell asleep.
Remy fell asleep.
Dude, he passed out hard. Like, the people in front of us turned around. They were like, he must be a sound sleeper if he can sleep through a monster truck rally. And I was like, yeah. And his eyes were like partly open. It was a whole vibe.
Yeah.
It's like I'm done. But yeah, it was a great time. I would definitely go again. Would you go to like just a normal one, or?
Yeah, oh yeah, I would definitely do another monster truck show for sure. Like,
But like a regular one, or just this kind?
Yeah, no, I would definitely do this.
Okay.
Like, yeah. We'll see you real soon. Boop.